Welcome back to the fourth Kanji lesson by Bonbon's J lesson. In this lesson, we're going to learn kanji of colors. Are you ready to choose black or white? Let's choose the right reading for the highlighted kanji.
白鳥は何々です。白鳥は何色ですか？答えは2番です。白鳥は白いです。白鳥は白いです。
Swan is white. Let's learn the first kanji of today's lesson. This is the kanji for white in Japanese. There's a stroke over the kanji of the sun. It's because the sun looks white when it shines.
訓読みは白、白、白いです。白熊、白熊。白雪姫、白雪姫。音読みは白です。白米、白米。
Let's take a look at the key point of learning kanji. First, it's better to learn each kanji by remembering its kuinyomi and onyomi. Second, in most cases, a single kanji is read by kuinyomi. For example,
白
and onyomi is used in most cases when it comes along with other kanji. For example,
白米。
Lastly, some kanji is related to the meaning of the original kanji, so imagining while learning helps you to remember kanji effectively. For example, 'cause the sun looks white when it shines, the kanji of white was created from the kanji of the sun. Let's choose the right reading for the highlighted kanji.
何々服を着た男は兄です。どんな服ですか？答えは3番です。黒い服を着た男は兄です。黒い服を着た男は兄です。
The man in the black suit is my older brother. Let's learn the second kanji of today's lesson. This is the kanji for black in Japanese. Being burned in an oven makes things turn into black soot. Therefore, strokes that mean fire are at the bottom and something that looks like an oven is on that fire.
訓読みは黒です。黒猫、黒猫。音読みは黒です。黒糖、黒糖。
How do you read the underlined kanji?
Shiro kuro. Shiro kuro.
Black and white, right and wrong. How do you read the underlined kanji?
白馬の王子。白馬の王子。
Prince on a white horse, Prince Charming. How do you read the underlined kanji?
黒豆。黒豆。
Black beans. How do you read the kanji for white hair and black hair in Japanese?
.白髪、黒髪。白髪、黒髪。
Gray hair and black hair. How do the kanji for pupil of the eyes and white of the eyes read in Japanese?
.黒目、白目。黒目、白目。
Pupil of the eye and white of the eye. By the way, the word for white of the eyes has another meaning in Japanese, which is cold and icy stare.